Learn how to virtually stage an image and then turn it into a video with Amplifiles. First, open Creative Mode. Then, from the right-hand side, select Virtual Staging. Then select Edit Image. We have created multiple ready-made prompts for different styles. You can use them as they are or fine-tune them to match your preferences. You can also easily generate multiple different versions to compare options and find the one that works best for you. You can freely describe whatever you want and ask Amplifiles to generate different furniture, decor, or other elements for the image. You can even upload and add custom furniture or other elements to create a look that perfectly matches your vision. It's super easy to preview and compare all the different versions. Once you've selected the one you like best, the next step is to animate it and turn it into a video. All you need to do is click Use for Animation. And the final step is to select a camera movement.